Ta-da! Surprise! Hold on. Boom. It's me, Sassysamey, or Sam, here on YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you guys who are new, welcome, welcome, welcome. For those of you guys who have been here for a while, hi, how are ya? I hope you're having an amazing day. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Woo, it's hot in here. I will be testing out a new foundation, which is the Makiage, what is it called? Woke Up Like This foundation. So I'm really excited. I do my first impressions and also like how it works throughout the day. Let's get into the makeup tutorial. Boop. What's up, guys? Okay, so today's video I wanted to do a first impression on this foundation. I had it on its side, so it came out of the bottle, which I'm very sad about because it actually came out on the box too. So packaging is so cute. This is the Makiage Woke Up Like This Flawless Base Foundation, and I really wanted to try this out because I have been intrigued with this brand for a while now. So they have this 14-day period where you try on the foundation before you buy it. So I thought it'd be perfect for me to try out. I've had this for a couple of days now and I haven't used it. I think this is a pump. Yeah, I'm right. So this is a pump. It comes with a pump. That's what it looks like. I'm really excited to try it out. And this one is in the color 180. What I do like about this packaging, amazing. First of all, I do have a 14-day try before you buy, which I thought was really cool. So you can try it out before you buy it. So you have 14 days to try it out, and if you don't like it, you can return it and you get your money back. So it is a pump. You do have like a color match, so if you know like what color matches you the best for like another foundation, they have that and then they match it for you. So I used my Makeup Forever HD foundation stick color as a match, and that's what they gave me. This is my very dirty beauty blender. I don't know what this is from, but I think it's Shop Mrs. A, and I really love this blending sponge. It's amazing. So I just put a little bit of that, and it's very, very liquidy. Kind of reminds me of my Maybelline one. Ooh, is this my shade? Hell yeah. I did get a little bit darker because I went to the beach. Ooh, coverage wise, it is a little sheer because I can still see a little bit of my skin peeking through. But I did buy a couple of different foundations. I like how my hair is like freaking sticking to my forehead. Dude, it's so hot. Ooh, this is nice. So if you guys can see, this is the side that has the makeup on it. It's very easy to blend, which I like. Super buildable, I can tell. And then as you can, this is my half of the face. The color is spot on though. It doesn't feel heavy because sometimes most times I don't like foundations that make you feel it on your skin. So far so good. I think I might have pumped too much though. So a little bit goes a long way. I'm gonna wear it throughout the day. Right now it's 2:43. I have a flight to New York City tonight at 11, so I'm just gonna wear it up until I get onto the plane, and then I'll wipe it off right before because I'm not trying to wear a full face of makeup. But so far I really like it. Like, I don't know if you can tell, but you can't really see any of my discoloration. It did a really good job at hiding like some of the redness I have. I am gonna use a little bit extra as my concealer right here to conceal some of my eye. So I'm gonna wipe my hands. And a little bit goes a long way. So far I really like it. I will be doing a wear test, so we'll see how it plays throughout the day. It is 3:22. I am going to test out this foundation throughout the day. I am going to record myself wearing it throughout the whole day. I'll check in a couple of times and then I'll give you my final thoughts probably right before I take it off at the airport. That'll be a good 7 to 8 hours. So if you are wearing this throughout the day, actually I put it on at like 2, so it's already been it's already been like a good 30-45 minutes. But if you are using it for like a long period of time, like 7 to 8 hours is a long time, especially if you're going to work and you're wearing this, or even if you're in school. So that's a good time to test out like how this foundation wears. So I will be checking in and doing my final thoughts before I take off my makeup at the airport. And yeah, so I will check in with you guys later, and yeah. So just wanted to do an update. It is, I like how I looked at my wrist like I had a watch. Hold on, my watch is getting charged right now. It is, can't see that. It is 7:06. So it has been since 2 o'clock, so 5 hours since I've had the foundation on. So far it's really good. The only thing is I am getting oily, but it's not because of the foundation, but it is because it's super hot outside, so I just get oily anyways. But it looks really good. Like my makeup looks like how it looks when I first started my makeup, and everything is on. Still have my blush on, my lips are still on, eyeshadow is good. So this is it 5 hours from now. 5 hours from now, but 5 hours later. Yeah, so far so good. I haven't really noticed anything with the foundation. Like normally when I wear foundation, I can feel it throughout the day. This one is so lightweight to where I can't really even feel it. And yeah, I do need to blot a little bit because I do get oily throughout the day regardless, so that's normal. There isn't any breakage, you know, like from my oily T-zone. It's good, everything is good. Boom boom boom. Yeah, so I'll check back in right before I leave for the airport and then give you my final thoughts. So I just got to the airport. It is 12, so it's midnight. My foundation is really good. Hi Connor. Hi sister. So I've been wearing it for over 7 hours and I really like it. It's super lightweight, it's full coverage, and I do like that I don't feel it throughout the day. It didn't get super oily, and also it didn't start cracking here, so that's a plus. And it's super lightweight and I really like it, and I would give it 2 thumbs up. So anyways, those are my final thoughts. Definitely try it out. What is my sister doing? What are you doing? I said 2 thumbs up. Who? You. Oh. I'll give it 2 thumbs up. So anyways, I'm gonna go take it off now, and we have a flight to wait for 3 hours. So, bye. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed that foundation review and all that fun stuff. If you haven't, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. Also, if you do want to follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, or Twitter, I will leave all of my links down below or somewhere on the screen for you to go ahead and follow. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys do have any requests, leave them down below and I will get to them as soon as I can. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Love ya. Whee! Intro. I'm gonna do my exit.